How to change currency in Expedia. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the currency on Expedia. So there is only one way to do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the web browser and head to the expedia.com and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And here, once you are inside the main dashboard of the Expedia, simply start by making a search like you normally would. For this video, I'm looking for flights from Birmingham to Bangkok. So you can do this for flights, hotels, and any other services on Expedia. And once the result loads, you will notice that the prices are shown in dollars by default or whatever your current region is set to. So to change the currency, you need to simply go to the top of the screen where it shows your language and region. Mine says USD, so simply click on that. And now here you will see an option to select a different region and currency. So if you want your price in euros, simply choose a European country or select euro directly. And once that's done, run your search engine again, and just like that you'll see all price displayed in euros instead of dollars. And there you go. That's how you can change the currency on Expedia using the language and the region settings. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.